Hi everyone, today I walked through solve a Rubik's Cube. So now I changed my main cube to an SM cube, so let's just get straight into it. Just grab it up. Okay, so let's just have a look first. Okay, so on this one, we will grab this red down to here, then bring this red to there. Now, we'll grab this blue down to make the first cross, so it will be blue over here, red, green, and orange. So blue finish, we're gonna insert this green, so the blue opposite green, so we're gonna make this pieces over here, so we can just grab this green down, then just put these pieces to the front, make this perfect match with this, and then turn down 2 times to make the first cross. Then next, you're gonna look that they on this they will have this finish line, so when you bring it gonna be like this, but on that pieces is right here, so we'll grab this 2 pieces first, so when it was like this, you turn like this, now on the opposite side you just grab it down like this. So the next one, we're gonna look at this one, so you look at the pieces that are gonna go there, so about this pieces, so you'll grab this down, bring this, so because when you grab this will insert up, so we don't want this one to gone, we're gonna bring this and then grab this pieces down and then bring it back like this. Now like those 2 pieces like this, and on these pieces, so you make this together like this, then I'm gonna put it over there. Now I'm gonna put down 1 time like this, and then 2 times U2, and then R like this to make the opposite side, so now you can grab it down. Now on this case we just do like this to insert it. Now on this oil cases you just do L, F prime, L prime, U prime, L, U, F, U prime, L prime. When finished, you're gonna look on this PL cases, so I use like this cases, R prime, U2, R, U2, R prime, F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F prime, R2, and then U prime. Just that. So let's just go on to another next solve over here. Okay, so on this cases, at first we're gonna look that we'll bring these pieces down with the red, so blue gonna come here, red gonna over here, green will be there, and orange will be over here. So at first we'll bring orange to there, so bring this red to there, so when we insert this blue, the red pieces will come with this. Now we just grab these pieces, then just grab the green like this. Now we just grab these pieces back like that, and now the next pair that you insert is this pair over here, so we're gonna do like this to make this pair. Now you're gonna turn this side to put at the back so we can grab it easily. Now we're gonna look at this pair over here. So how this pair is, you just make this turn to there, just do an easy way like this and just bring it down to there. Now on this pieces and that, so we just can normally do like this, bring the opposite side and just grab it down like that. In this case, you just bring on the back, you turn it down, put 2 times to make this straight up, and then just grab it down. Now on this other case, so F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now, and then we turn 1 time and then do that cases again. Like this. Now on this all cases, like this has 2 headlights, and then the 2 pieces over here, you do D, R, U, R prime, U prime, D prime, R2, U, R, on this one I mean U prime. So U prime, R prime, U, R prime, U, R2, U prime. So, and that is to solve that one. So before we end this video, I'll show you my speed solving first. So just run it up. Okay, so let's have a look. So let's get started. Just about that. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe too. I'll see you next video. Goodbye.